Okay, 1996 Honda Civic. That's our problem. So we will be replacing the muffler. So there's a couple bolts back in there that you can see that we'll take out, and then take it off the hangers here. The other one should go right back up in there. All right, new pipe. Lines up really well. Went up. First I put it over a piece there, then went up, hooked it on the hangers, and then came down here. So you're going to want to go buy new bolts with springs. They're only about $6 at O'Reilly's. The other one that I had to cut the end of it off because it was seized. So I grinded it off there. The new kit came with a bolt, so I was able to put it in with a bolt on that side. The other side I was able to use the bolt that was still on there, that was tack welded on. So that's all set. All looks good. Looks like it's making a pretty good seal. So now we'll start it and see how it goes, but pretty simple fix. If you have a 96 Honda Civic, I recommend you go ahead and doing this yourself. This is what the sticker was. I went ahead and pulled off as much of it as I could, and I got tired of peeling it, so it'll burn off. Won't catch fire, it'll smolder off, but it'll smell kind of bad for a few days, but after that it'll be good to go. And that's the new muffler already installed. And every muffler I found had things in it. I even went to the warehouse at O'Reilly's to try to find one that wasn't all beat up. They're all beat up because they're not even boxes. They're just sent in, just like this, and they bang together. So, but yeah, I got that in there pretty tight. Wiggle it around. Everything looks good.